You have tried everything to build a stable passive income source, and still you can't succeed in it? The reason that you can't build your passive income source is you are trying something that some YouTuber said to do. Like investing in stocks, dropshipping, or creating your own YouTube video. It's good, but these things needs a wide range of following and time to see your money getting rolled. And you cannot do it over a night or a week, it requires plenty of time to see you actually growing on that business. There are plenty of things you can do to build your passive income source with $0. And don't worry. I have saved you the best idea at the end of this video. If you too know some passive income ideas, then feel free to share in the comments below. So the first thing on our list is selling ebooks online. If you are good at writing novels, poems or short stories, then why keep your stuff with yourself? You can sell them on many platforms without any publishing fee. Even though if you are not good with stories, you can write your recipes and share it with the world. Just do some research, grab a computer to type and throw some good cover on it, and you are good to go. Sit back and relax. If you are saying you are not good at writing but have something to share? Let's say you know how to cook and can't find the words to guide the readers. Then don't worry, you can teach thousands of students on Skillshare who comes to learn about cooking, designing or coding. Take your phone from your pocket, record things that you want to teach, and upload it. You can even create a course with just 7 videos. So every time when a student watches your course, you will be paid by the watch time of your videos. So you can earn more by keeping your content interesting. Or if you are a good designer or learning to be, then you can sell your designs on several websites for few bucks, and if you have sold 100 pieces of your design, then you made a good amount of money. But you have to specific in the content that you design. People search all over the internet to get the design that can spell their words. So if you can satisfy them, then you are gonna make a good fortune out of it. And here comes the last but my favorite source of passive income. Blogging. For this you don't need to be an amazing writer, you just need to decide whether the content you are posting can catch the eyes of your audience and keep them engaged. You can earn money from ads, and once you have a huge following, then you can introduce your products. If you have any questions about these ideas, you can contact on Instagram, link is in the description below. And don't forget to smash the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Try the things we have discussed and comment how much you have made using these ideas. I know it will be few bucks in the beginning, but one day it definitely grows